Okay, here goes another short video of some of the bikes I'll be offering for sale with this lot. We'll start with this 1971 Lightning. Engine turns over freely, badly in need of cosmetic restoration, but it's pretty much all there, all restorable. Over there we have a 1955 B31. Actually, it's got an earlier engine. It's a ZB31 engine. It was a running, driving bike. It was involved in an accident, and front end was damaged. But mechanically, it's all there, and restorable B31, B33 rather, 1955 500 B33. 1968 Lightning, in rough cosmetic shape, needing cosmetic restoration. We actually did have the bike up and running and rode it up and down the street, and it runs fairly well. And that was 3 or 4 years ago. We had it up and running, and still turns over freely. This one over here is I believe a 1968 Royal Star. It does have a twin carb head. I believe it's a Cyclone head on it, and it's never had it running, but it turns over freely with good compression. 1968 Royal Star in need of restoration. And 1972 Thunderbolt here. I do have the rest of the engine parts to complete the engine. It needs to be all gone through, restored. It's a 1972 Thunderbolt. That 72 Thunderbolt I'm going to keep for myself and restore. This one over here, we have a 1965 Lightning Rocket. Of course, some non-standard parts setting on it, but again, turns over with compression. Fully restorable, rebuildable bike. Over there, a 1971 Lightning, frame without an engine in it, and I do have an engine for that. Of course, we have many late model Lightning engines. This one here with the 4-gallon tank is a 1969 Lightning, and not as bad as it looks. A lot of it will clean up very nicely. Nice restorable bike. I have all the engine parts for it. 1966 Hornet Scrambler, 1966. Need a full restoration. Over there we have an A10 rolling chassis. I have the entire power unit for that at the house. It can be bolted in, good engine, ready to turn over, ready to restore. And another 1965 Lightning Rocket. Turns over with good compression. Missing some parts, but pretty much all there, all restorable. That A50 Royal Star right there is going to be one that I'm going to hold on to and restore myself. This one, and here's another 1966 Hornet. This one with the old Z bars on it, badly in need of restoration, but 66 Hornet, ready to be restored. And this one over here is a 1954 Golden Flash, swing arm A10. Over there against the wall is a Super Rocket, not sure of the year. And over here, I don't know how well we can see these, but this is a 1966 Lightning. And this one with the blue rear fender is another Another A10 Super Rocket with the bottom end and the gearbox all in place. And we have all the engine parts for it at the house. So a lot of work to be done here on these bikes. They're all bikes badly in need of refurbishing and restoration. Have that one there, I believe, is a 1970 Thunderbolt frame and engine. So that's about the extent of what we have in this container. 2 Hornets, 54 Golden Flash, 66 Lightning, Super Rocket over there, another Super Rocket in between here. 2 1965 Lightning rockets, 69 Lightning, oil frame Lightning, and as I work my way out of here, that's about it. This is another 850 Royal Star. It was actually a running bike. Another one that was involved in a front end accident, and we took it in. The engine did start and run, but it's all in need of restoration. So that's it for what I have here in the container. We'll move on to what we have back at the house.